Okay guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Craig Bimmer, and my social security number is... Alright, so this car is back in action, better than ever. No bumper. Today we're going to the junkyard to try and find a bunch of parts. We're gonna put shocks back in it, and a bunch of other stuff that we need. Never perfect, but it's better than it usually is.
Well, you got a panel gap right there.
What panel? Sounds completely normal. Still no gas in it. Never have gas in it. Yeah, I mean, some things you can't take back though. Like, can't take back putting Monster in it. Can't take back redlining from a cold start, but it's the way she goes. Yeah, you guys asked me for content with this stuff, but the car has literally been down almost like a year and a half. It took me so long to figure out what was wrong with it. But we're black. We're back and better than ever.
We're black and better than ever.
That's pretty decent.
We'll make sure to look both ways.
And here we are.
Just like that, we're here.
Let's get escorted out before we even get in. Here we are, the place where every BMW goes to someday. The junkyard. Looks about as clean as my local car meets. Yeah, so we got a big shopping list of stuff to find. So I need a camshaft sensor, a rear automatic drive shaft. I need coil packs, just to have spares. I need a one rear shock hood struts. I need a gas cap, and I would like to find a brushed aluminum trim set, but I probably won't find one. So we have spotted our first E90. Let's take a look. This one is in mint condition. Okay. We found exactly what we're looking for. These are usually taken off like first, but it's one of the newer gas caps. So here's that. We got the gas cap. Let's take a look at this bitch.
They got a hole in their door.
No freaking way. The chrome trim. Oh, it's a little f***ed.
What do you mean? They
broke it trying to pull it out. I'm surprised. Usually every time I come here, it's always the worst trim possible. You got your tan seats that no one wants. And it's usually the ugliest burl trim you will ever see. Oh, that's why they couldn't get it, because the door wouldn't open. So someone saw this brush trim and they're like, oh boy, brush trim.
They got too excited.
Oh boy, brush trim. And then they got too excited and they ripped it out. Hey, you guys could use this. What does this car have that's usable though?
You could get a side blinker.
I actually could take these side markers.
You're missing yours.
So close to glory. So close to glory with this brushed aluminum.
It still smells.
Not bad. Okay, so it's an N52.
I think the motor's a little low.
You know what will determine what happened here? So this was a rear-wheel drive. So I would guess someone tried drifting. What do you think would have done this?
A deer.
Yeah, a deer. It's a little more than a mailbox. But you know, this is typical with poor people behavior. They think they're a race car driver and they're gonna drift it, but really they're gonna nail it into their neighbor's freaking pool house or something. But the wheels say it all. This wheel style, poor. Well, it appears I misspoke. This is not a 3 Series. This is a 7 Series. It's got the rear seat pool. The water, it's pretty warm. I also need the pigtail. Yeah, when you do this, you gotta be really careful not to scratch the paint. But yeah, I think we've exhausted this car.
Exhausted.
I usually only see E90s, never E92s, and always N52 or N51. But if we do find an N54, those index 12s are going straight to my socks. Alright, so here we got another one. The whole engine's gone. We got a dark brown interior.
Hey.
I just did a muffler delete.
Hey, look, a shock.
Shocking. Oh, you know what I do need? I do need a left side mirror. or right side mirror.
Damn.
See,
Someone
this
stole
is
it.
always one of the first things people go for. So yeah, it's indecent.
I think.
We'll take it until we find a better one. What the heck happened here?
It had to have been a roll.
Once again, typical poor people behavior. This was the GM automatic transmission, which we can talk about for a second. Why the f*** is GMW a thing? Why did they think it was a good idea to put a f***ing GM transmission in a BMW? These things suck cock. He took the engine, but he left this piece of shit. Let's continue. I forgot I need this little spring guy here. These go bad sometimes.
Beautiful.
Got my little fidget toy. Look at yourself. 530 wagon. I'll probably come back for this. You guys already know the 3-stage manifold, the stage 3. Stage 3. Speaking of stage 3.
I have cancer.
That was actually what I was gonna say too. Alright, so here we found another E90 in pristine condition. Has this 3-stage manifold. You guys already know big horsepower gains. Actually, it's an N51. That's why. This is the first black interior I've seen in a while here. These might be what I'm taking the shocks from. I would have to get the trunk open though.
So pop that bad boy open.
On the E90, they optioned folding seats. Luckily, this car has folding seats, so I can reach in there and pull the trunk open. Luckily, the seat was already down. Oh, hey guys. Somebody already did most of the work for me. They took out the trim, which is half the work of doing the shocks. It's almost undone up top. I could do all this and then pull it out and see that the shock is dead. But they got Bilsteins in this bitch. So I hope it's worth it. I love doing mechanic work because you're always in very comfortable positions. Feels great on your ankles, your knees, your back, your neck.
Hips.
Oh, Jesus Christ. The threads are f***ing roasted. Oh, gross. Like the bump stop looks pretty new. They work, and I only bent the hold a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, so since they're Bilsteins, I kind of want both of them, but they took the rear diff and axles, so the wheels free spins. I'm gonna improvise. I wedged this tire underneath to try and lock the wheel. No. How can I lock this wheel?
Yeah, now you're using your big brain. Uh-oh. Ah. Ah.
Yes.
Oh. What about an e-brake?
Ooh.
Would that lock them all?
You would.
Ah,
Oh
see?
God.
Big brain. You're welcome.
You know what? I don't have an e-brake in my car. I didn't think of it. We wouldn't do that. Hey guys, it's Gareth from FCP Euro. Today we're taking off this one came off way easier. It's funny. In states that rust like this, the passenger side. Wait, no, never. I said that backwards. Don't listen to anything I just said. Will you quiet down?
They're over there.
I just had these tools, but I put them away. It's like, where did it go? I just freaking had it. It's like I'm working in my own garage. Yo, dude. The Bluetooth seatbelt. This only came on the 7 Series. Oh, hey. So yeah, you wanted to be a mechanic, right? Yeah, it's fun, right? Good news though, this one's coming out way easier. There we go. And if you want more videos like this, yeah, I could tell. When I saw that these bump stops this clean, I was like, yeah, those are f***ing new. Then when I saw their Bilstein, I was like, yeah. So here we have a 2006 330. Once again, a black interior. This one has an iDrive, surprisingly. But I kind of like the chrome trims, so I might, I don't know. We'll take a look once we get them. Because my car has My car has the cheap plastic, but this metal looks nice. There we go, baby.
Big money.
Hey guys, it's Whistling Diesel. Not bad, not bad.
Quality.
Okay, so this is what we have so far. We got the gas cap, the mirror, 2 sets of fucking brand new Bilstein rear shocks. We got chrome trim, which will make the thing look pretty nice, hopefully.
I think
I'm kidding. We took a time out because we were running out of stuff to hold. But anyways, yeah, let's take a look at what we paid so far for this stuff. So $12 for 2 shocks. Gas cap was $4. 2 trim pieces, 13 each. So this was one of the first cars we were looking at. I forgot to look at drive shafts, but I didn't even notice. This tells you everything you need. Everything you need to know is right here. They deserve this.
Bluetooth seatbelt.
I might just contact my parts guy for it.
I probably would.
I wouldn't want to get under a junkyard car. So this was an E60, but this one's different. They either had Taco Bell at the time of the crash, or they had a paint can, because this thing is just covered in
Don't
poop.
touch it.
It's just covered in poop.
Yeah, lick it.
Yeah, that's poop. Found one more piece of shit. Looks just like mine. Pretty much.
Attention customer, Toilet would like to thank you for your patronage. The time is now 4:45 and we'll be closing in 15 minutes.
Still getting my motor out. Oh, they really do just pop off.
Hopefully they're good. Ah! So yeah, the OEM tier Bilsteins, 75 a pop, and I got them for 12 for 2 of them. With the mounting kit.
BMW.
Look at that gas. So I was just pumping gas just now, and luckily I just finished, because look who just pulled up. 2 fucking state troopers right next to me.
I wouldn't
Wanna
be
know why? Because why I care?
Hey,
oh,
look.
There's another one right there. Fucking great. She didn't
Look at you. Oh, she's getting you.
Oh no. I'm gonna get the inspection ticket.
Yeah, you are. Damn.
What the hell? There's 3 of them.
How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good. Do you have your license and registration on you? Where are you headed to today?
I just came back from the junkyard.
From the junkyard? What junkyard? Oh.
As you can tell, this thing looks like it belongs at a junkyard.
Okay. Were you looking for parts for this?
Yeah.
There's another one.
Jesus, there's another one. There's like 5 of them just passed, and that was already after like 10 of them just passed. There was 3 at the gas station. She did an illegal U-turn to get me. There's another one too.
One right after the other.
Who would have known that getting gas was that much of a mistake? This is why I don't put gas in my cars, guys.
Feedback. So I did race you for the inspection, just because it's been out since a long time ago. You tried to get it corrected in May. I get that you're working on it.
It will never pass inspection ever again. Ever again.
All right. Good luck with getting your car fixed. Oh, and hey, too, just so you know, the zip ties are kind of falling a little bit, so we want to get some screws for that. Okay. All right.
Yo, guys, we just got arrested, dude. Locally hated. Talk about locally hated, bro.